catches the worm, 65 Juying secondary school students gather in Pulau Ubin.
72 bags of rubbish weighing 1,123 kilograms were amassed.
While the rest of Singapore slept on this Saturday morning, 73 teachers and students combed the beaches in Pulau Ubin.
It was a true eye-opener for me. I never knew that this amount of trash existed on our beaches.
I hope that more people will be more responsible users, especially when they visit the nature.
These youths aged 14 to 17 and accompanied by 5 teachers.
We should make a conscientious effort to throw away our rubbish into the bins after we're done.
We should respect the natural environment of the organisms there.
Dr. Lim, can you tell us more about the raising problems on the pollutions happening on the beaches?
Plastic has been found in the stomach of many seabirds.
We really need to raise awareness of the environment issues in Singapore. Now or never. Now is the moment that these students have been training so hard for.
The National B Division Volleyball Finals between Juying Secondary School and arch rivals Compass Green Secondary School.
It is Juying's first final since volleyball was introduced as a co-curriculum activity 12 years ago.
They are coached by Stephen Zhang, 56, who is no stranger to the volleyball scene.
Personally, this has been the most challenging assignment. Hopefully, with what the team had done, it will raise the profile of the sport in this school.
The road to the finals was one fraught with difficulties for the team.
Over the past few years, membership numbers have fallen and the school often struggled to put together a team to compete.
Captain Tan Jin-min, 16, said,
"We're really happy to have come this far. The team faced several difficulties along the way.
But as we took it one game at a time and as we progressed, we felt a certain bond and a willingness to fight for each other on the court," Ming added.
One thing is for certain though, they have already won the hearts of many and are champions in their own right, regardless the result.